My name is Sheldon and I study T-level engineering and manufacturing. I applied for this course because there's many different career paths it can lead you down. It can get you into mechanical engineering, electrical, design, manufacturing, just endless opportunity, and the T-level in itself is quite hands-on, so I feel like it's better experience in that way to get employed in the long run. I've learned a lot of collaboration skills, being able to problem solve and relying on myself to help out and team lead, and being able to work things out without having to rely on other people, and just kind of using my own brain to navigate through different types of problems and come up with solutions. I work for a company called Cory. That's where I do my work experience, and I've learnt many different types of skills. They trained me on using telescope machines, cherry pickers. I use all these different types of machines, doing different type of maintenance on sweeper machines and road machines. It just really depends, but the amount of skills I've been able to obtain from that is very beneficial for my future career and being able to get a job in the near future. You can learn a lot of problem-solving skills on the T-level course. The content from the class lessons and stuff really help in day-to-day life when you're trying to work, and sometimes it may help. Whatever you've learned in the classroom may help you identify what type of metal you're using, or what type of temperature you have to use, the speed you have to use on a certain machine. So it does really quite help. Like, the placement for me was the biggest change, because a lot of my other friends done BTECs and they didn't really have to do a placement. So I feel like the fact that I have to do a certain amount of hours is very significant and beneficial for me and my learning. So at least I've got some experience and I know what it's like, I know what I'm getting myself into, rather than just doing a course, doing all this theoretical work and then having no clue what to do in the real world. I want to go on to university and study electrical engineering, so I can specialise in a particular engineering sector, but this T-level has definitely been that middle step for me to be able to push myself to reach levels where I can specialise, and it's definitely brought me to that step, so I'm very happy.